Good morning students. We all are familiar about quadratic equation. What is mean by quadratic equations? An equation involving one variable and having maximum index 2 is called a quadratic equation. Can you give me some examples of quadratic equation? Yes. Example, 4x square plus 7x minus 2 is equals to 0. Another one, m square plus 9m plus 12 is equals to 0. These are examples of quadratic equation. Can you tell me standard form of quadratic equation? Standard form. X square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is standard form of quadratic equation. Variable is only one. Here variable is only one, having maximum index 2. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंडेक्स कितनी है? 2 है. Now we have seen one method, factorization method to solve quadratic equation. The second one is completing square method. Now we will see third method, formula method. Formula method to solve quadratic equation. If our given quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, having variable x, then we will solve this equation by formula x is equals to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is formula for solving quadratic equation. Now we have to solve some examples of quadratic equation using formula method. Example 1, m square minus 14m plus 13 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation having variable m. Variable m है ना? Now to solve this equation or this quadratic equation with formula method, now first compare this equation with standard form. Comparing above equation with standard form. We take standard form as our variable is m, therefore we take it in am square plus bm plus c is equals to 0. Now comparing, we got value of a coefficient of m square. Here coefficient of m square is 1. B coefficient of m. Here coefficient of m is minus 14. C is equals to 13, that is constant term. Now our variable is m, therefore we take m is equals to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is our formula. Now what is value of here the formula is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac. First calculate the value of b square minus 4ac. Then we take this formula. First I will solve b square minus 4ac. What is b? Minus 14. Therefore we take minus 14 square, b square minus 14 square minus 4 into value of a is 1 and value of c is 13. What is 14 square? 196. Minus minus plus, that is square of negative number is positive. Minus 4 ones are 4 and 4 13s are, or 13 fours are 52. Now subtract them, we got 6 minus 2 4, 9 minus 5 4 and 1 as it is. Therefore we got value of b square minus 4ac is equals to 144. Now we take formula m is equals to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now put value. This minus is our formula. What is value of b? B is minus 14 plus minus value of b square minus 4ac is 144. Therefore we wrote it in square root upon 2 into a. Our a is 1. Now minus minus plus 14 plus minus square root of 144 is 12 upon 2. Now we take plus or minus sign है, हम पहले प्लस लेंगे 14 plus 12 upon 2 और m की वैल्यू लेंगे 14 minus 12 upon 2. 14 plus 12 26 upon 2. We got 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. M is equals to 13 or m is equals to 14 minus 12 2 upon 2. M is equals to 1. Thus we got two solutions. M is equals to 13 and m is equals to 1. Thus we have solved this quadratic equation using this formula. What is formula? M is equals to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we will see another example. Second example, x square plus 10x plus 2 is equals to 0. This is your second equation. Now to solve this equation, first we have to compare this equation with standard form. Comparing our equation with standard form. We got value of a, coefficient of x square is 1, b coefficient of x is 10 and c is constant term, that is 2. Now first we will calculate the value of b square minus 4ac. What is value of b? It is 10. Now put b square, therefore 10 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 2. 10 square 100 minus 4 2s are 8. 100 minus 8 is 92. Therefore we got b square minus 4ac as 92. Now our variable is x. Therefore we take formula as minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now put value x is equals to value of this minus is of formula. Value of b is 10 plus or minus under root. Value of b square minus 4ac is, we solved 92 upon 2a na. 2 into a is 1. Now this is square. This is only b. Therefore it will get minus 10 plus minus square root of 92. We convert it into multiple of 4. 4 into 23. Multiple 4 3s are 12. Carry 1. 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. Therefore 92 can be written as 4 into 23 upon 2 1s are 2. We get minus 10 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. 23 as it is under root upon 2. We got x is equals to minus 10 plus or minus 2 under root 23. Now we got common from 10 and 2. If we take common 2, we got minus 5 plus or minus, here 2 is common, therefore only 23 under root 23 is remained upon 2. These two cancel. X is equals to minus 5 plus or minus under root 23. Plus or minus है, then we can get minus 5 plus, first we get minus 5 plus under root 23, or now we get minus 5 minus under root 23. Thus for this quadratic equation x square plus 10x plus 2 is equals to 0, we got two roots. X is equals to minus 5 plus under root 23, or x is equals to minus 5 minus under root 23. Now I will give you some examples to solve at home. You have to do them. First, tell me some questions answer. If you have given x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, then what is formula to solve this quadratic equation? What is formula? X is equals to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Yes, this is the formula. Now I will give you some examples to solve at home. First one is homework A. X square plus 6x plus 5 is equals to 0. And second example is x square minus 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. These two examples you have to solve at home. I will check it. And third example is y square plus 1 upon 3y is equals to 2. Yes, y square plus 1 upon 3y is equals to 2. To solve this equation, first convert it into standard form. That is, to cancel this 3, first multiply the whole equation by 3. Like, first multiply equation by 3, we got 3y square plus this multiplied 3 and this 3 is cancelled, we got y is equals to 2 into 3. We got 3y square plus y is equals to 6. That is 3y square plus y. This is plus 6. Here we got minus 6 is equals to 0. That is 3y square plus y minus 6 is equals to 0. We convert this equation into standard form. X square plus ay square plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now you have to solve these three equations at home. Okay.